Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Chrome extensions safely on Windows step by step clearly. To install Google Chrome extensions safely on Windows, start by opening the Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools. Then click on Extensions. This will take you to the Extensions page where you can manage your installed extensions. To find new extensions, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the sidebar, select Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type in the name of the extension you want to install. Review the search results and click on the extension that meets your needs. Make sure to check the ratings and reviews to ensure the extension is reputable. Once you've selected the extension, click on the blue Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear, detailing the permissions the extension requires. Carefully read these permissions, as they can affect your privacy and security. If you agree, click the Add Extension button in the pop-up. The extension will now download and install automatically. You will see a notification once the installation is complete. To manage your extensions, revisit the Extensions page. Here, you can enable, disable, or remove extensions as needed. Regularly check for updates to keep your extensions secure. Finally, only install extensions from trusted sources to ensure your browsing safety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.